An exhausting day at work, and I still have schoolwork to finish. What am I supposed to make for dinner?
I've got the perfect idea for dinner.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tara. Many of you already know that I am an oncology nurse, also in grad school for my nurse practitioner. So I know all about being so incredibly busy, especially throughout the work week, that you barely have time to eat, let alone think about if it's healthy or not. I know that you guys have really been loving my busy work week lunch or dinner recipes, and also the Instant Pot recipe videos. So today we're going to be making a delicious chicken curry and white basmati rice. Both of these are going to cook inside of the Instant Pot at the same time. I absolutely love making a meal like this. One, it's easy. Two, you throw the stuff in there. After you finish the sauteing, you can go and do whatever else you need to do. So for me, a lot of times I'm writing a paper or I'm trying to get my laundry done. I love how easy this is. You don't have to stand over it. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love to cook. But there are some times that you just don't have the time to do it. And this recipe is absolutely perfect for those times. You guys are gonna absolutely love this. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button below, and be sure to hit the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. Okay guys, let's hop right into the video.
This is gonna come together super quickly. So I'm grabbing a shallot and I'm just kind of dicing it up. If I was using a regular onion, I would probably puree it, but shallots kind of just melt into things that you make with it. And I'm also grabbing 3 garlic cloves. I'm using my garlic press. I love this garlic press. And now it's gonna be time to get our chicken ready. So I'm using 3 breasts that are organic, and I've just sliced them into chunks. With my Instant Pot set to saute, I put a drizzle of avocado oil and I'm throwing in the shallots. I'm just gonna let these get translucent, fragrant, and then I'm gonna put the garlic in. Kind of same thing, just stirring it around so it doesn't get too stuck down there. I decided to add just another little drizzle of avocado oil. You can use water if you would prefer. And this kind of shows how kind of thick I've chopped this chicken up. So in goes the chicken. My house is smelling so incredibly delicious. So now we're gonna add the spices. So I'm using some Garam Masala, some Thai red curry. If you can't find this, you can use regular curry, and some Thai basil. You can substitute this with Italian basil. I just really love the flavor of the Thai basil if you can find it. So we're not looking to cook this here. We're just looking to brown it just a little bit. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt. I'm gonna be adding chicken bouillon in a little bit, and I know there's a lot of salt in that, so I don't wanna add too much salt now. And now it's time for our coconut milk. I'm using Lite Coconut Milk. It's what I prefer. I feel the sauce is perfect consistency with this. If you prefer, you can use full fat coconut milk. I'm using my wooden spoon here to really scrape the bottom of this pot. You wanna remove any burned bits from down there. I decided I wanted to add a little bit more of the Thai red curry and also some tomato paste. Tomato paste is gonna really give an extra depth of flavor to the dish. I highly recommend it. If you can't find it in the tube, you can also use some straight out of the can. And then I'm adding the chicken bouillon. And I wanted just a little bit more tomato paste. And I'm just mixing this really well. I did decide to add just a little bit more of the Thai red curry. So much of the cooking process is improvising. I absolutely love to experiment in the kitchen. And now I'm adding my trivet, my heat-proof glass bowl, and my rinsed white basmati rice.
It's really important to use a white rice here. You could either do white basmati rice, white jasmine rice, or you could even do just plain white rice. You don't want to use brown rice or black rice or red rice here because they take longer to cook, so they will not be cooked enough by the time this meal is finished.
Next, we're gonna pour our water over the rice. Remember, it is a 1-to-1 ratio, and I'm just stirring it up with my spoon. Then I'm gonna grab my lid. I'm gonna make sure that the silicone ring is on. That is very important. It will not pressurize without it. Then we're gonna set our Instant Pot to high pressure for 4 minutes. Once it's finished cooking, we're gonna allow 10 minutes for a natural pressure release.
A really important step in this recipe is allowing the 10 minutes of natural pressure before you perform a quick release and open the lid. This is very important. Do not skip this step. It is going to allow your chicken to become incredibly tender, complete the cooking process, and for the rice to be perfectly fluffy.
After the 10 minutes of the natural pressure release, I'm going to use my spoon just to release any extra pressure out of the pot, and once the pin drops, you are good to open it. So let's check out and see how our dinner looks. Oh my goodness, look at this rice. This rice is cooked absolutely perfect, so easy to make. We made everything at the same time. It's kind of amazing. Perfectly fluffy. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove the rice bowl. Make sure you're very careful because it's hot, and I'm gonna take the trivet out. And now I'm gonna add just a couple of cups of baby spinach. We did not wanna add this at the beginning because it would have been way too overcooked, and I did not have to turn this on saute. The residual heat was enough to wilt this spinach. Gave it a taste. I decided to add a little bit of white pepper for an extra special kick. You can leave this out if you don't want the extra heat. And now it's time to plate it up. Put my rice down first, and I'm gonna add this delicious curry to the top of it. Look at how incredibly delicious this looks. This chicken is perfectly cooked, so tender, it's like breaking off of my fork. Perfectly cooked rice. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe.
What did you think of today's video? Drop me a comment below. I would love to hear from you, and let me know either a video idea you'd love to see, a series, a recipe. If you liked today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.